Hey, welcome to Gage's Gobbledygook, where memes are dreams, and I don't know what it's like to feel.
Gage has been reincarnated as a bowl of tempura. These are fun times we're in. Very fun times indeed.
Oh god, oh, random needles. Gimme, gimme, please.
I love random needles I find on the ground.
I fucked up. I wanted to do command, but I didn't. So now we're stuck without command.
Well, that's unfortunate.
I don't know why you're commenting. I was telling the people, George, you already knew this.
I know. I'm
Why
just
were
commenting again that
you...
it's unfortunate.
You're unfortunate. The fact that you live and breathe.
Jesus. The fact that you live and breathe right here amongst me right now, it's infuriating. It's an
Oh, look at this.
abomination.
Look at this little creature trying to smacketh me.
Look at these funny little salamander creatures.
You just want to...
They're kind of funny looking.
Don't you just want to bite off their tail?
No, I just
Just
want to
give it a...
hug them.
Just give the... Oh. I mean, it probably grows back. You don't want to... Just one. We can get a straggler so the others don't know, so we can still be friends with
Can
those
we get
ones.
one of the big ones? Can we get one of the big ones too?
Uh,
Like the really
yeah,
friggin'
sure.
big one.
Yeah, no, we can handle that.
Alright, cool. Handle that? I
Bro,
love how you said handle, like not have or anything, not take care. No, handle that.
well,
We
bruh,
could handle that.
they're scary.
They are really big and scary.
Oh
Not
boy, I
gonna lie.
found a shrine of the mountain. A shrine of the mountain. Do you hear me? The mountain
Snake,
shrine.
do you hear me? Snake, I am the end. This is a
Snarky.
beetle. Snarky.
Look at this. Look.
But
I don't know why I'm
terrifying the
telling
whole
you to
thing.
look. Ow, I'm being shot. I'm
Look, I'm
being
being
shot with the fire.
mercilessly shot at.
Man, this is pretty. Oh boy, I'm zip stop zooping. I'm gonna bite your tail off and come inside of it. Oh,
What?
I got a red. What? What?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah? What's up?
We gonna get. Ooh, just a little drone over here, a little repair drone or a gunner drone.
Are you just gonna pretend you weren't gonna say something to me?
I think I was gonna say anything.
I'm gonna fight you.
I was just blabbering away. No, you can't. It's impossible in your current state.
Bro, we should fucking... Well, I mean, you've already played a bit of... I don't know, maybe you've beaten it, but Borderlands 3. I should buy that and actually play that.
I have beaten that game like 3 times now.
Damn, okay. Jesus
It's
Christ.
fun. It's a very fun game. The gameplay is the best it's ever been, but the story is just deplorable.
I don't care.
Like compared to Borderlands 2, it's bad.
That's fine. I don't really care. I just want to play more Borderlands. And the
It's
pre-sequel
fun.
was...
I like the
Get the
pre-sequel.
fuck out of
It
my
was
way.
good.
It's
You
mine!
bitch. You dick.
I bought that, you
Oh,
fucking twat.
did you really though?
Yes.
Okay, I guess you did maybe. Hey, look, repair drone.
Fucking bite your kidneys off, brah.
No,
I don't know.
you'd have to dig pretty deep.
Well, I said
Pretty deep
off,
in.
so that kind of... I'm assuming your kidneys
Is
are
that
exposed now.
are you assuming you just have a large mouth, a large gaping maw from which you release your hinges open? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, oh shit, hold on, I found another mountain shrine.
God, we're gonna have a challenge.
Nah, it'll be fine, just shoot him in the dick.
Always works.
I'm gonna look for another one. Please, please give it to me, Father.
3D printer.
Speak your name. Not your name, your...
Well,
Speak your words.
I did.
Speak them more. Alright, come to the teleporter.
Okay. We go fight our biggest challenge yet. A
No
6-foot
shit.
tall salamander.
It's the first level. Of course it's gonna be the biggest challenge yet.
Of course.
Of course, I killed the tortoise.
It's worms, isn't it?
Oh,
No, Titan.
boy. Shoot him in the pee-pees. Ow. They taught me how to fly. They
They
taught me
teach you the art of flight.
I'm gonna die. It's fine.
Don't die.
Nah, it's fine. It's gonna happen. Oh, I just had to stand still because I'm boostling fungi. Oh shit.
Whistling fungus.
I am living today. I don't wish to die.
I'm not going to be living today. No, sir.
What are you eating? The death canoe?
Slowly but surely.
Oh shit. Oh boy. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is.
We're actually making a dent.
I'm hiding.
If we make this, it's going to pay off so freaking nicely.
Oh, that's right, because the shrines of the mountain and the shrines and the shrine mountains and the owl. I need precisely 812 goat hooves. Oh
Okay.
boy. Alright, I'm
Oh, they're
bounced.
just chasing you now. He's given up on most fighting over here.
Pew 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 pew. Oh boy, oh boy, oh testicular cancer.
Oh, testicle. Oof.
Fuck, stop being a twat.
I love how he's just completely run away.
Who?
This boss, he's just like, I'm going on my own
Oh
now.
boy, help me.
There's a healing thing near the teleprompter. It's the green circle. Okay, we did it. Thank fuck. Oh,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. That's really nice.
We fucking did it somehow.
Somehow, some way. Alright, time to scour the rest of the map. Should probably visit the Salamander Man.
Well,
as
I did pay for it, so yeah, bitch.
Paid with your hard-earned money.
I think we got most of the shit. If not
There's
all.
a turret. Oh, there's some stuff over here. We
I
have
don't give a fuck about that. to be honest.
They're nice in the later parts when you get like a shit ton of them, and then they actually really help. It's like, oh,
Tell me when and I'll go through the tutorial.
right now.
Do you know how much facial cream is safe to drink?
Exactly 4 ounces.
Okay. Orders 5 ounces of facial cream.
Just to be safe.
Oh, wow.
Mm. Clearly might be worth it. It was worth it.
Well, you wanna go down to the place and do the thing, or say nah?
Let's give it a shot. Or
Let's say
yeah, we
fuck it.
might be able to take it.
Let's
Just
say
do
fuck it. Nah,
No.
bro. Let's say fuck it. Let's
Ah.
just bounce. We're too weak.
Too weak and feeble.
Too feek and weeble.
Feek. Ooh. Boy of my life. There we go.
Why would you hurt yourself like that, Georgie?
To gain money.
Georgie, think about your life.
No.
Okay.
I tried, okay.
Damn, my aim is actually garbage.
Actually, seriously, Garbo, dude.
Carbon dating.
What about it? Huh.
I don't know. That's it.
That was it, just carbon dating.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man, I got this like flower, bro. I'm gonna
Look at this.
eat this flower. I'm gonna see the moon with my own bare paws.
I mean, you eventually will be able to get to do that. That is the last stage where the boss is the moon. So I guess you can do that.
What does the diamond thingy do again?
I think it makes fire appear around you or something like that when you hurt an enemy or something along those lines. Deal bonus damage to nearby enemies.
Ah, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's good for melee.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a fucking stupid medikit. That's stupid.
That's so stupid.
You're stupid.
What? The salamander.
How could you, you monster?
How could this happen to me?
Devour my cheese.
If you do that, I swear to God, there's no going back for you.
After all I've done for you.
Or after everything I've done for
You
you, you
eat my
continue to
cheese.
eat my cheese. For all I give, you take my cheese.
I have acquired the hoof of a goat. Zip zop, zoomity zoom.
I am much with sweet.
Get crunkered.
Get shrunked.
Please become null and void. Oh, yes. Chance on kill to drop a treasure. Please drop treasure.
Give me treasure. the rusted key. Jesus fucking Christ. Gesundheit.
Oh, that was me zooping.
Oh, startled me a little bit. Oh, hello, fiery creature. Jellyfish are making an appearance now.
You're a fish of the jelly.
Oh, that is so rude. Oh, I thought that thing had a mustache for a while and it made me laugh.
Damn. Was it a sexy mustache?
I mean, looked like the little thing on the Will-O-the-Wisps. Oh, oh, hello.
In your opinion, is that a sexy mustache?
I mean, no, it's very Walt Disney-esque if that's what you're into. I mean, I don't judge,
weird.
but yeah, it's a little interesting. Oh, yeah. I love hacking the shrines.
I don't know what the teleporter is. That or my stupid ass just forgot.
I don't think I've seen it yet either.
Cool.
Where the frick is it? Yeah. I'm in this swamp.
Oh, I broke my legs.
That's bad. Stop that.
No.
Okay. Is there anything behind you? Yes. There was a wax quail. There's a lot of shit down here. I have no idea where this teleprompter is.
Ow, my asshole. It was shot.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're not. You don't even care.
I know, I said that so nonchalantly. Really sorry to hear that. What's this? What is this? It's already open. Dude, where the fuck is the teleprompter?
I don't know, man. Oh, fuck. Oh,
It's back there, isn't it?
no.
Oh.
I wish. This is stupid.
Difficult. Nothing else about this is really difficult yet, except for just finding this teleporter. That's it. Let's see. Buy jellyfish. Go.
I found it.
Evade it, boy. Oh, stone titten. It's not too bad.
Ah, shit. Okay.
Where the fuck is he?
He went up.
He just went up. Okay. That's interesting.
There was the warp thingy.
Are you beating him, son?
Yeah, I am
Awesome.
actually. What did we get?
We got Gore's Tome. Chance on kill to drop a treasure.
I have 2 of those now. Zip zop zippity boo.
I put glue inside you.
Damn.
Bill Cosby changed after prison.
Was it like his glue?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
His own special brand of glue.
By that you mean his cum, right?
No, he literally just makes glue in his house.
Oh.
And
It's a
just
little
puts it
weird.
inside people. I mean, it's Bill Cosby. What were you expecting?
Him to come inside of people.
I mean, he
Evidently.
can. I mean, he can do that too. I mean, what's to say he's to stop now? I mean, this is just a new hobby he's exploring, you know.
You are,
What the fuck is
Trash.
going on out there?
oh, no.
Shit exploded.
Well,
I
let's
think
go.
Yep, let's go. Let's fly. We. Wait, here we are. Rally Point Delta.
Deli Point Routa.
Rally Point Delicatessen.
Have you ever thought about making
Cold cut.
cold cuts?
Been a while. Been a while.
Oh God. Oh my God. How could you look at me like this with your face and your fingers and your toes?
Could this happen to me?
I don't care. Oh, I see a treasure. Somebody dropped a treasure. I'm gonna pick that up and I have more money.
So and drop the treasure.
Pew pew pew.
Oh, guess what I just found?
The teleprompter.
Yeah.
That's pretty teleprompting.
Ooh, another energy drink.
Damn, I like NOG drinks.
I like them too, but they generally make me feel like shit afterwards. At least some of them. We're
Drink
gonna eat
bang.
Monster. Bang is actually one of the few that doesn't at all.
It's because Bang is the good shit.
It really is. You can get it in bulk sizes too, at like GNC and whatever.
Oh,
It's
I'm
not
gonna
that-
nut.
You do that then, I guess. Alright, there you go.
Hey, what's this?
What is
Shit.
this?
Oh shit, I flew. I wasn't ready to fly.
I love how there's just nothing around me right now.
That's because it's all around me.
Nice.
All around me are familiar gee places and gee faces.
Our familiar geese.
God, bro, if I was surrounded by geese, I'd probably scream after I tried to pet them.
Just scream. I mean, it's a pretty good response, I would say. Ooh,
I survived. Wow,
did
you
you
got
survive?
an opus, bro. You got a whole ass opus.
Whole friggin' opus. Remember that whole opus.
Oh, I got a nice little teddy bear. I
Tougher
can
Times is really good.
I can dig a little hole in it and put my fleshlight. I mean,
No, go on.
what?
Go on. I'm not going to judge you now. I'll only judge you
I'm gonna
critically.
fuck the shit out of the teddy bear.
Okay. Well, you do you, I guess.
I've been shot. Help me. Pew.
Help me help self very easily. Also, guess what I'm gonna activate right now?
The teleprompter.
Yeah. After
Oh.
opening all these chests.
Pew.
It's the Impor of our Lord.
Damn, what a little bitch. What a bitch.
What a silly little dumb bitch. What a dumb, silly little bitch. Oh, he did his little taps, his angry little taps.
Pitter patter patter.
Oh, I died. Holy shit.
What the oh my god, same.
Okay.
Well, that's a fun little episode. I'll
That was
stop
a
this
fun
recording
episode.
right here.
Goodbye.